In 2003, when I was celebrating Janmashtami in Radha Kunyabhari Temple camp, Pune, few of my friends visited and they saw I was running here, there, making garlands, arranging plates, and he asked me, "Can you pause for time, 1 minute?" I said, "Yes." "What are you doing? I am seeing you going here and there." "Exactly what are you doing?" Then I said, "We are celebrating Janmashtami, Lord Krishna's divine appearance." He said, "Can you please explain me?" And then I explained him what is Janmashtami, how Lord Krishna appeared in Shravan month, Shukla Paksha, Ashtami day, 5000 years before in Gokul, in Mathura. Now also, I have celebrated Janmashtami for so many times from 2004. So, I was contemplating whether I am really celebrating Janmashtami. Every time this Janmashtami comes, what is exactly the Janmashtami? And one shloka appeared in front of me from Bhagavad Gita. Janma karma chame divyam evam yo veti tattvata tyaktva deham punarjanma naiti mameti sorjuna. So Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, His divine appearance and His activities are divine. And any person who understands it tattvataha, with philosophical understanding, Tyaktva deha punarjanma naiti mameti sojana, he will never get the birth in the material world. He will go back to the spiritual world. So, why Krishna's janma and karma are divine? They are not like ordinary people. Every avatara, Lord Varahadev, he appeared from the nostril of Lord Brahma. Lord Matsyadev appeared in the hand of King Satyavrata Muni. Lord Nrsimhadev appeared in the pillar. So really you see, the birth of Lord Krishna is divine. It is not like a normal human being. But if you see Krishna's birth, it is more divine. Because how Krishna appeared, what circumstance for a devotee, how Krishna appears. As soon as it was announced that Lord Krishna will appear, Devaki and Vasudeva were put into jail. So how can we welcome such Lord? For him we are put into jail. Then after that, before Krishna, his many brothers were killed by Kamsa. So how can we celebrate Janmashtami? So what Janmashtami is teaching us, how Krishna's birth is glorious, because Krishna appeared in the midnight at 12, darkest time of the whole day. He appeared in Shukla Paksha, that is darkest 15 days of a month. He appeared in the jail. He appeared in the extreme difficulties. But as soon as Krishna appeared, everything became fortune for Vasudeva and Devaki. So Krishna is teaching us that when Krishna appears, there may be so many calamities in the material world, so many chaos in our mind, circumstances, but the Krishna's appearance, if we try to get Krishna's appearance in our heart, there will be light. Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. Before Krishna appeared, Lord Balram came and he prepared the ground. So Lord Balram represents the Guru. Lord Balram has always plow. He is called as a Haldar. So what Lord Krishna does, he removes the anarthas from our heart and he prepares the way for Lord Krishna to enter into heart. And Krishna carries flute. We can hear the flute of Krishna, but before that we need the flow of Lord Balram. If you invite the Lord Balram in our heart, he will clean the heart. And the Lord Balram, who represents Lord Balram? The spiritual master. The Guru who comes in a parampara of bona fide teachers. When we submit to such teacher, he will tell us the way how to welcome Sri Krishna in our heart. He will give us the practical clue how to clean our heart so that we can make the way for Lord Krishna to appear. So the Krishna's birth only is teaching us so many lessons. Now what happened? When Vasudeva and Devaki, they took Krishna to Vrindavan. So we saw how Krishna's birth is divine. Now how Krishna's karmas are divine. What kind of pastimes Lord Krishna performed in Vrindavan? every day some demon will come and Lord Krishna will kill. Now somebody may say, why Vasudeva Devaki has to undergo so many difficulties and Nanda and Yashoda, they are enjoying the Krishna's pastime. But the devotee, whether it's Yashoda or Nanda Maharaj or Vasudeva Devaki, the devotee always relishes Krishna's pastime. Whether it's in jail or whether it is in Vrindavan, lifting the Govardhan hill or killing Dhenukasur. They are ready to undergo any tribulation to welcome Krishna. They are always attached to Krishna. They are not attached to anything. In Brajavasis, they have to undergo more tribulation than even Vasudeva and Devaki, because they were put into jail. And once Lord Krishna killed Kamsa, they are out. But Yashoda and Nand, every day they had demons. Suddenly one demon will come, send water. Suddenly one demon will come, collapse their houses, and they have to run with their all paraphernalia, cows, and vacate the place. But while doing that, they are remembering Krishna. So one may say, why should worship Krishna? He is giving so much trouble. But no, Krishna's activities are always giving pleasure to his devotees. They don't see these activities as trouble. Because if you see in the material world, if we have the same routine, every day go to office, every day eat only bhakri, every day eat only potato sabji, same routine, we will be bored. But the spiritual world is not like that. Spiritual world is navam. Every walk is a dance. Every talk is a music. Every discussion is katha. Katha ganam natyam gamanapi vanshi priyasaki chidanandam jyoti tada swadhyamapi cha sayatra surabhi vyacha sumahan nimeshardakyo va vajati nahi yatrapi samaya bhaje shvetad deepam tamahimam golokam itiyam vidantaste santa shiti virala chara katipaye. That is Golok Vrindavan. If you really want to go to Golok Vrindavan and celebrate Janmashtami, we have to be ready to enjoy the rasa with Sri Krishna. So therefore you see Krishna's Janma and his karma are not divya but pleasure giving to every living entity. His devotees, everybody. Krishna is transforming the darkest time into the most pleasuresome time, if you really allow Krishna to welcome in our heart. Now how to celebrate Janmashtami? If you see, Lord Krishna says that paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkatam dharma sansthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. That I appear in every millennium to protect my devotees, to give them pleasure and annihilate the demons. But in Kali Yuga, if you see, there is no avatar of Krishna. Krishna appeared in Dwapar Yuga, Lord Ram Treta Yuga, before that Varaha Bhagwan, Vamandev. But what about Kali Yuga? How we will celebrate the Janmashtami? So Lord Krishna appears in the holy name. Kali Kalera Dharma Krishna Nama Sankirtan Krishna Shakti Vina Nahi Tare Pravartan Hare Nama Hare Nama Hare Nama Eva Kevalam Kalo Nasteva Gatiranyata. In the Kali Yuga, Nama Rupe Krishna avatar. Krishna appears in his holy name. So how we can celebrate Janmashtami in real way? When you welcome Krishna in the holy name. We may be doing so many activities in Janmashtami, doing Abhishek, cutting fruits, decoration, services, but the main thread for all these things is the holy name, because Krishna appears in the holy name in the Kali Yuga. In all the religion, therefore it is stated that we have to chant the name of God, we have to chant the name of God. And you see the A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, who broadcasted this message of holy name throughout the world. That this holy name is for every living entity. Not only Indians, American, Russian, German, Japanese, everybody can celebrate Janmashtami, the appearance of the God in his own heart. And what is the best method? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Every person in his family can gather his family members, neighbors, they can do Abhishekam, they can do chanting, and mostly the Nama Sankirtan, which is the best method. So how to celebrate Janmashtami bestly? Chanting the holy name. Invite people in your house, your family, your society, and this holy name is the most important, because currently you see we are undergoing the pandemic of Corona. There is the darkest region in the entire world. Not only India, America, Russia, everybody is undergoing the tribulations of this COVID-19. So let's welcome Sri Krishna in our hearts, in our country, in our society, in our home, everywhere. Let there be the pandemic of the holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Let be light in the heart of every living entity, even animals, even the trees, the latas, creepers, everywhere there should be the chanting of the holy name. And that is the best way to celebrate the Janmashtami. So let's welcome the Janmashtami, and by combinedly, cooperatively in community, chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And we can discuss Krishna Katha from Srimad Bhagavatam, Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. These wonderful books will tell us how we can celebrate the Janmashtami, the spirit of Janmashtami. So I wish happy Janmashtami to each and every devotee, each and every person, everywhere in India, all over the world. Whosoever the message goes, let's celebrate the Janmashtami in our heart, in our family by chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Thank you very much.